Welcome back to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel, here with 5 minutes of daily Tai Chi that you can practice at home. I'm sharing some easy to follow Tai Chi movements that are going to help you stay active, keep your body moving and retain that balance and strength. So let's get started. Start feet together, ground your feet, lift up through the crown, engage your core and keep everything relaxed. Float the arms up to shoulder height, inhale, and float them down, exhale. Keeping the movement slow and controlled, and we're adding a knee bend, so just to wherever suits you and keeping the posture tall as you do so. Sinking the weight into one foot so we can step out to parallel stance, keeping the arm movement going and adding that knee bend. Step in and repeat on the other side. This time stepping out to a wider parallel stance so that we can sink into a deeper horse stance, keeping that rhythm going, sinking into that deeper horse stance. We're staying here to develop that leg strength in our horse stance, and then we're going to step in and repeat on the other side. Let's hold our chi ball and we're going to step out to our bow stance, rocking the body weight backwards and forwards with that lovely transfer, again focusing on developing leg strength, and focus your energy on those moving hands like we're pushing and pulling through water. Let's step in and repeat that on the other side. Let's repeat that movement again, but this time as we transfer the weight back, we're going to transfer it all the way and tap that front foot in and step back out to our bow stance. So this will also encourage our improving our leg strength and improving that balance. So really think about your posture, keep your core engaged, and don't worry if you wobble. Let's do that on the other side. Keeping our feet together, we're going to stretch high, holding up the heavens, so pushing the palms to the ceiling. You can add a heel raise here if you like, and then relax that stretch. Stepping out to parallel stance, and we're going to repeat that move, but we're adding a bigger body movement forwards and then high, stretching through the body. Now we're going to use alternating steps into our bow stance, adding a single arm punch with the opposite hand, coming forwards with some strength. Staying on this side so we can rock the body weight backwards and forwards. And repeating on the other side. Finishing with a set of alternating steps into our bow stance, again keeping the single arm punch going. Stepping into parallel stance, we're separating the clouds again, and lovely stretch high and a relaxation down. We want to be inhaling as the arms rise and exhaling as the hands lower. Stepping feet together, we're going to repeat that movement. And again, you can add a heel raise here for an extra challenge. Let's shake it out, guys. That was a brilliant session. I hope you've really enjoyed it. Do remember to subscribe. Let's stretch out across the chest, give ourselves a hug. Let's repeat that one last time, and like I say, please remember to subscribe. It really helps my channel. Take care and see you soon.